Hello, Kim here from Keep Fit with Kim. We're going to start with raising the heels. A little bit faster. Well done. So really think of your balance here. Think of what's going on. Knees coming forward. Just check around you in this early part of the workout while the moves are nice and easy. There's nothing you're going to stand on that you're not going to bash into the telly or anything. Let's take it to heels in front. Bring the arms up. Next one's optional. You can bring it to a knee lift or a toe tap. So it can be a little knee lift. Keep it small now, but if that's not good for your balance, keep it lower. Four more if you can, but if it's getting too much, take it to a toe tap. Ready for side step. Change direction. Keep those shoulders relaxed as the shoulders swing. We're going to change direction again. Well done. That way. Ready to take it back to that jogger's walk, so raising the heels. Try and get those heels up as high as you can, working through, feeling the work in the calves and the balls of the feet, getting some movement in the feet, heels in front. So really putting those toes up. Are you ready for knee lifts or toe taps? So if you're keeping it easier, keep it here, but if you can, just touching the knee. We're still warming up here, so I'm keeping the arms below the head. Again, if it's too much, keep those toe taps instead, if your balance doesn't work for that. Last 4, 3, 2. We're going to side step, singles and back. Well done. Other side. Keep it moving through. Bring it forward to me. Just as much space as you've got. Ideally 4 forward, 4 back. But if you don't have room, you're going to go with what you've got. Kick it across. Keeping that knee soft. Well done, you're doing great. So this is challenging your balance. If that's too much, tap the toe on the floor. Always go with what feels right for you. If it's hurting your ankles, you need to adapt so it feels comfortable and you can work through the whole workout. So if you want to make it a bit harder, you can make it bigger. So you've got to work with what's right for you. So I'm taking it harder, but if that's your level, that's fine too. You're aiming to get fitter or maintain your fitness. It really doesn't matter. Side steps. Other way. Bring it forward and back. And a little sort of zigzag on the floor. And again, if that doesn't feel right for you, change it. And be aware as you place your foot that you're in a position that you can move. Just march it through on the spot. Let's add some arms, forward and touch. So reach forward, touch the shoulders. Try and keep those elbows up. So if you bring them down, you're not going to work the back of the arms as well. So you adapt. But if you can take it high, you're really going to get a bit of work on those back wings. And I'm beginning to march slightly forward, slightly back. You've got to go with what space you've got. If this doesn't feel right, stay on the spot. Well done. Let's change the arms. We're going to take it right, left, right. I'll show you in front, so I'm touching one shoulder, the other shoulder, and back. So if you can, you're going to take it behind the body. So across, out, out. So that's really going to stretch the arms. But if you can't reach behind, keep those feet moving as well. So we're going to make it faster. If you can't do it faster, that's fine. Try and keep that head up so you're really stretching behind. If you're going behind, if you can't, again, don't worry. Just take it across in front. And let's just circle those arms. I'm just swinging. Gentle circles, releasing, other way. And swing backwards and forwards. Again, watch you're not going to bash anything. It was a little bit hard on the shoulders, wasn't it? Let's circle them back. And release. Oh, a little ear to the shoulder, centre, ear to the shoulder. Keep those feet moving now. If you need water anytime, please feel free to grab your glass, have a sip. Try and keep the feet moving, or the body moving, throughout. Do a bit of toe tap, quite definite. So it isn't a knee lift this time, it's a toe tap. Nice, strong arms. To each side. So I'm tap, back, tap them together. Tap, back, tap them together. This is challenging your balance. If it doesn't work for you, stay with single toe taps. Don't have to do the arms either. That's challenging your brain. Back to single toe taps. Doubles. Toe in, toe together. So I'm challenging your balance here. Bend the supporting knee slightly, makes it easier. Singles. Knee lifts, if you can. If you can't do knee lifts, stick with the toe taps. And we're going to double knee lifts, or those double toe taps that we were doing before, so bringing it out and in. So if you want to make it harder, arms come higher. But you don't have to. You take it at your level. So it might just be a little toe tap, or it might be big. Let's take the legs out to the side. So now if you want to work the back of the arms, take the elbows up to the side. Let's hold it one side. 3, and back. Just concentrating on the arms, concentrating on the legs, out and in, and change. And change. So if it's too much for the arms, just let them swing, change. And if it's too much for the legs, make it twos, or make it singles. Let's go back to singles. I'm going to let my arms relax now, but if you want to keep working the back of your arms, that's up to you. Let's take it back to toe taps in front. Doubles. Toe tap. So you're going to stick with that, or you're going to take it to double knee lifts. Challenging your balance. And again, you have the option. I think I missed one there. Don't worry, if you're off with it, if you're one step off, it's probably me that got it wrong, but don't worry. I seem to be on the offbeat. Let's march it through. 2 forward, 2 back, 2 forward. Keep it moving throughout. So you have a choice here. So we've got slower music, so you can take it into a dip, stand, dip, dip, stand, stand, dip, dip, stand. Let's take it wide. Legs nice and wide, little knee bends, tuck the belly in. So think of sitting back. Watch you're not letting the knees shoot forward. We're thinking of sitting back. So you might only be here. That's fine too. But if you can take it all the way down. You're not leaning forward necessarily. You're trying to stay upright. I tend to find I do lean slightly forward. Make sure the knees are going in the same direction as your feet, so turn the feet out. Well done. Let's just kick it across. So this is slow. It's challenging your balance here. Kicking out to the side, out to the side, out to the side, out to the side, other side. So if this doesn't work, just touch out. We're challenging and change. Push my knee. And change. So if that doesn't work, just keep it here and keep the toe on the floor. But if you can keep it up, that's even better. Doesn't matter whether you're out first or in. I seem to have changed there. It's easier if you come in first. In and out. In. You can touch the toe down if you want. Let's lift the heels. So really working through the feet. Think of massaging the feet into the ground. A little pushy push with the arms. I'm going to bring them up. Feeling it in the back of the arms. Keeping the elbows quite tight into the body. But really here I'm concentrating what's going on with the feet. Getting some movement in your feet. Loads of bones in your feet. Did you know overall half the bones, about just over half the bones, are in your hands and feet? Lots and lots of little bones. And there's as many in your feet as in your hands. Can't remember exactly, I think there's one more in the feet than the hands or the other way around. But a lot of little bones, a lot of joints, and we leave them stuffed in shoes. Okay, and we're going to take a little circle with that ankle. If you can stand on one foot and circle it, even better. A bit of relaxation for the feet. So let's just keep it small. Keep a nice deep breath in. Let's take a deep breath in. And out. And in. And out. Let's take a little side step. So keeping it nice and small. Other side. So we really worked our balance in today's workout. Change sides. Kicking across. Keeping that knee nice and soft. So here you might want to actually put the toe down if you were struggling with your balance earlier. Still relatively slow. Let's do a little bit of stretch. Let's take that foot back. Watch both feet are pointing forwards. Push that heel into the mat. Feel that stretch through the calf. If you need to take the legs wider, do. If you're finding your balance is bad, if you're here, you might wobble. Take the legs wide, both feet pointing forward. Have a quick check your back foot. I often see people's heel turn in, turn that heel out. Lift up on the toe and down. Lift and down. Lift and down. Well done. Be aware of what's going on with your back here. Try and keep your belly pulled in. so that your back stays in neutral rather than arching. And hold it there again. Push back. Let's change legs. So again, check the position of your heel. Make sure you're in balance. Feel that stretch first. Lean forward if you need to. Hands on the leg if you want. We're looking for a straight line, roughly from the top of the head through to the heel. Take your arms away for balance. And let's lift and lower. Lift and lower. So you can lift all the way up, or you can keep it smaller. As we're beginning to really cool down the body, I'm keeping mine nice and small, but go with what feels right for you. And let's take that stretch again, hold it there. Just check your heel position. Watch you haven't let your heel turn in. Feeling that stretch in the back of the